The moms of our Papa Honua come to the stage with their story of this mele done by Natalie Ai. She wrote this song for her son, talking about her love for him that surrounds her like the scent of the Pakalana flower. And as we all know how it is to love something so dearly and then realize that later on we have to let it go because it's grown on. It's the same as her watching her son grow up and knowing that there comes a day that she will have to let him go. So the Ku'u Pakalana is done by the mothers of the Papa Honua, these lovely ladies doing Ku'u Pakalana.
Hōʻike. Hōʻike oe, e ke aloha, o mai oe, Pakalana, Moani'a'ala mai nei, e ku'u Pakalana e, ke aloha, o mai oe, me ko a'ala, moani'a'ala mai nei, e ku'u Pakalana e, ke ona, ke aloha poniuniu, e ku'u Pakalana e, Ele'iai, na kamakua, ulama Ebuna hele no e oli noli no I kala Marina ia mai ka buana o mai oe me ko a'ala ili pohe I kanoe e ku'u Pakalana e Aina ia mai ka buana o mai oe me ko a'ala ili pohe I kanoe e ku'u Pakalana e my